this. You're standing before the 2026 Toyota Highlander Motorhome, a machine that takes the trusted heart of Toyota's legendary SUV and stretches it into something bold, daring, and unforgettable. This isn't just a Highlander, it's a Highlander reborn as a luxurious rolling sanctuary, a vehicle built to shatter the line between family SUV and full-blown motorhome adventure. The first thing you notice is the stance. Wider, longer, yet still carrying the Highlander's sharp, modern profile. The sculpted body flows with Toyota's signature design language, but now it breathes with the presence of a motorhome. The LED signature headlights, razor-edged grille, and sweeping side panels make it clear, this is no boxy camper. It's aerodynamic, sleek, and undeniably premium. Step closer, and the polished alloy wheels glint under the showroom lights, while chrome accents outline a silhouette that feels both powerful and graceful. At the rear, you're greeted by an extended motorhome cabin seamlessly integrated into the SUV's frame. Toyota didn't just bolt on a box, they designed a flowing extension that matches the Highlander's DNA. A power-operated rear hatch doubles as an entryway, leading into the living quarters like a gateway into another world. Open the door, and you're welcomed into a space that feels less like a camper and more like a boutique hotel on wheels. Every detail has been reimagined for 2026, with a harmony of soft-touch materials, ambient LED lighting, and Japanese-inspired minimalism. The lounge is laid out with reclining captain's chairs that swivel to face a fold-out dining table, trimmed in brushed aluminum and dark wood veneer. A panoramic skylight stretches above, flooding the cabin with natural light during the day and framing the stars at night. Move further in, and you'll discover a full galley kitchen fitted with the latest smart appliances. A compact induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a dual-zone refrigerator make cooking on the road effortless. Sleek cabinetry conceals storage with the precision of luxury yacht design, and hidden USB-C charging ports keep every device powered without clutter. And then, the bedroom. Toyota has crafted a space that feels private and serene, with a memory foam queen bed tucked into the rear extension. Overhead, soft backlit panels mimic a gentle sunrise to wake you naturally. Windows on both sides open wide, bringing in fresh air wherever you decide to park, whether that's a mountaintop escape or a quiet lakeside view. Technology is where Toyota's brilliance really shines. A massive 15-inch central display controls everything from climate and entertainment to water and battery monitoring. Voice commands sync with Toyota's AI assistant, giving you hands-free control over lighting, temperature, and navigation. A built-in Wi-Fi hub ensures that whether you're streaming movies in the lounge or working remotely from the dining area, you're always connected. But what makes this motorhome more than just a luxury lounge on wheels is the drive itself. Under the hood, Toyota offers a hybrid powertrain that blends a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with electric motors, delivering smooth, confident power while keeping fuel efficiency front and center. Whisper quiet in EV mode, powerful on demand, and ready for long-distance cruising, this Highlander doesn't just carry you to your destination, it makes the journey a joy. Safety, as always with Toyota, is uncompromising. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, with adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even trailer sway control for towing extra gear. Cameras give you a full 360-degree view, ensuring that maneuvering this extended Highlander is as effortless as parking a family SUV. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of luxury travel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and join us as we explore more unbelievable machines redefining life on the road. Don't miss what's coming next.